Hi there, today we're covering how to add vectors graphically. Before we start, it's important to know that while a vector is usually drawn with its tail at the origin, a vector does not have a specific position and therefore can be moved while still representing the same vector. For example, the vector here is identical to this vector, it's just been shifted. Vectors can be added graphically by joining them together head to tail, and the vector sum is the vector drawn from the first tail to the final head. So here we're asked to find the sum of the following vectors. So the first thing we'll do is graph them out, and now we can simply rearrange them to join them head to tail. Now, this creates our vector v, which is the sum of all of our vectors, and it is equal to 2, negative 5. There are two laws we can use to help us add vectors. The first is the commutative law, which states that the order of addition doesn't matter. The second is the associative law, which states that the sum of 3 or more vectors is the same regardless of the ordering or grouping in which they're arranged. Looking back at our previous example, we added A to B and then added C. However, if we did this differently and say added C to B and then added A, you can see in both situations we get the same vector.